Did Searl Effect and Townsend Brown achieve anti-gravity? Have you ever wondered if anti-gravity is more than just a concept from science fiction? Today, we will look at two intriguing figures in the realm of anti-gravity: John Roy Robert Searl and Thomas Townsend Brown. Both have made claims about achieving gravity-defying effects, but what does science say about their work? John Searl created the Searl Effect Generator, or SEG, which consists of rotating magnetic rings and rollers. Searl and some experimenters reported that this device could produce unusual phenomena. They claimed it could levitate, generate high electrostatic potentials, and even disappear into the upper atmosphere. As the SEG increased in speed, it was said to create ionized air halos and electromagnetic effects. Some reports even suggested that the device could reduce its weight by over 20%, hinting at a form of anti-gravity. However, when independent researchers tried to replicate the SEG's results, they faced challenges. Most tests showed energy losses due to friction and electrical resistance, which align with traditional physics principles. Because of this, the SEG is often labeled as pseudoscience. It contradicts the first law of thermodynamics, which states that energy cannot be created or destroyed. While the SEG does produce interesting magnetic and electrostatic effects, there is no verified evidence that it achieves true anti-gravity. Now, let's talk about Thomas Townsend Brown. He experimented with high-voltage capacitors and noticed a small thrust when applying strong electric fields. This phenomenon is sometimes called the Biefeld-Brown effect. Brown believed this demonstrated a connection between electricity and gravity, possibly leading to anti-gravity propulsion. Modern science explains the Brown effect mainly as ion wind or electrohydrodynamic thrust. This means it relies on the movement of ionized air molecules to create a small force. However, this effect needs air or another medium to work, which means it does not function in a vacuum. Thus, it cannot be classified as true anti-gravity but rather an electrical propulsion method. Both Searl's and Brown's experiments sit at the edge of physics, attracting enthusiasts who are curious about unexplained forces and mysterious energy phenomena. Their devices produce quirky results, like levitation and glowing halos, which seem to challenge conventional understanding. While these experiments inspire curiosity about alternative propulsion and energy generation, they have not been proven by rigorous scientific standards. Practical applications of their work remain speculative. Searl's technology has sparked interest in field effect propulsion and anti-gravity research, but no working anti-gravity devices have come from it. Brown's ion wind effect has limited use in experimental propulsion concepts, but cannot replace traditional thrust methods in space. In summary, while Searl and Brown conducted fascinating experiments that produced levitation-like effects and unusual electromagnetic phenomena, neither has shown verified anti-gravity. Their work remains a curious chapter in the study of mysterious forces and energy, blending genuine magnetic and electrical effects with claims that challenge established physics.